I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in the cold. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it.
Whip, body, crib, got it, job on it.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Cookie and it's she Cookie on IG. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're in the computer lab, as you guys can see. We are doing life skills. It's all about life skills and technology. So today we decided to bring us to the computer lab, take a tour around. Kakuso, hi. Anyways, hi Rita, how you doing? She's drinking dragon for the first time in like. So you guys can see. Anyways, love you guys. Bye. Number 3, thank you. Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are doing good. I'm back at it again. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm currently in town for maintenance week. So I'm currently doing maintenance week only because I have a wedding to go to on Saturday. It's both Saturday and Sunday. I have a wedding to go to. And right now I'm currently at McDonald's. After I'm done here, I am going to do my hair and nails, and I'm gonna go home after that. I have no plans after that, so I'm gonna go home and probably chill. Finally, I get to do my nails, like, cause wow, it's been a hot minute, so I get to do my nails, and yeah. We'll see how the day goes after I'm done doing my hair. And then sometime during the week, I'm gonna go buy my outfits for both Saturday and Sunday. Between tomorrow and Friday, I'm most probably gonna buy my outfits. It's 3 days before the wedding, and I don't have an outfit yet. 3 days before the wedding, and I don't have an outfit. Like, how's that? I had a whole entire month now to prepare. Did I? Yeah. Procrastination is real. Guys, please don't procrastinate anywhere. On anything. Because like, yeah, wow. I hope you guys can hear me, but then if not, I'll try add subtitles so you guys can read if you can't hear me. So yeah, see you on the flip side.
See all the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come. I make me dance. Girl, I make you low. I make you low. No. I make me dance. Girl, I are these kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me, see me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. Without the way that you want, make tell me with this all been gone. I never tried it, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in gone. I'm gonna watch it with it, baby. I'm gonna girl, I wanna make you, baby. I feel like making you, oh baby, oh no.
So I did my nails. I did plain nails this time around. Decided to go sort of like for the natural look. And then I did my hair. So I did my hair also. And yeah, I just got back home like a few minutes ago. I just finished eating. And then I'm gonna chill for a bit before I do my schoolwork. Then we'll see what we do after that. So yeah, so I was on a call with my best friend not so long ago when I got home, and she's like to me, guys, sorry for looking to the side. I'm so used to it when I'm in Hartis. As I was saying, I was on a call with my best friend not so long ago when I got home, just to show her my look, my new look, and my nails. And she's like to me, first thing she says, she's like, "Ungaro umakoti wa muthu ongare lenyalong la hao this weekend." Si babu yengara. You know the gate. Umfundisi. So it's like, you look like a makoti, like somebody who's good. It's not like we're going to your cousin's wedding. It's like you're going to your wedding. I'm like, wait, drama and gaga. She's like, no, you look like you're the one that's getting married this weekend. I'm like, well, what if I'm joking. So yeah, apparently I look like a makoti. Plus I was making food the time that I called her. She's like, the fact that you're also making food makes you look even more of a makoti. I'm not sure if that's gonna make sense, but then yeah. So yeah, guys, at this point my tide is tired for this weekend and all, but then I'm excited for this wedding because like, I haven't been to a wedding in a very long time. Guys, couple of memeng to manyalong too, like like I've attended more funerals than I have weddings, and I'm tired of burying people. Guys, or a couple of nyadisang, like for once, or a couple of manyal. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Probably when I'm doing my schoolwork, or I don't know, when I'm doing something, or probably tomorrow when I go to school. We'll see, but then I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Okay.
Mommy is going to
Guys, welcome back to my... It's a video. Say hi, guys. Say hello. Do this. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I came to see my brother for the crust. Guys, please check out the crust. They have such nice food. Such a vibe. It's very beautiful here. So I suggest that you try it out. So guys, I just reunited with my niece and nephew. And I forgot just how much I miss them so much. Like, I seriously miss them so much. I haven't seen them in almost over a year. And my little baby girl, my lookalike, has grown so much. Like, a lot. But then, yeah. I'm not sure when I'll see them again from here. Then, yeah. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Because it's broken.
We took Uncle to fix that this lights.
Yeah, it needs to be fixed so that it can be fine, eh? Hello, my papa. Hello, my beautiful princess. I miss you.
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never say where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much, I hate my clutch and phone. Third day, pop out the tune. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all the violence, give me this function.
And it's very unlike her. Swap her. Today's
I don't want them singing, getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie. Cause they won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on my phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side, boo. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend, cause I too on the road.
This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make him know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. Without the way that you want, make tell me with this up and go, I never tried it, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna watch it with it. I'm gonna get a one making you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh, baby, oh, no.
guys, we just saw a monkey. And then I think there's another one. Oh, by the way, we are by the dam. Take a walk. So there's I just saw a monkey. It's somewhere there. There, if you can't see it, it's somewhere there. But then I'll show you guys a video. And then there's another one that I'm currently looking at, but it looks like a dog. I'm not sure if it's a dog or what is it, but then it looks like a monkey. Hey. Oh no, it's a monkey. Somewhere there. So yeah, decided to take a walk and see the views of the dam, since I haven't seen them in a very long time. But then we can't be here for too long because we are on somebody's property. So we had to ask for permission first. So now we're leaving. We have to go. So, bye.
Until the night is over, I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Whenever I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn it back together. Come here, 'cause I hold you for life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, you were there by my side. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me, yeah, you so everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit, and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I love you. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. You gon' miss your opportunity. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me.
I should. I'm with my cousins. Eh? Yeah.
I'm alive. Hi, my name is
We are ready.
가려고 갈.
I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Sweat changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my line. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Guys, the crustiness that I'm currently in right now, because like this is not funny anymore. Like I need to go back so I can fit in with other people, and my skin has gotten darker. What the hell? I need to talk. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I've been up all night. Sorry about that. I've been up all night. So yeah, this is how I currently look. Not sure if you're gonna see my outfit, but yeah. I'm tired. My eyes are red at this point. It's like, yeah, wow. Then I'll see you guys soon.
I'm so cozy.